Yep.
Right now I'm taking pictures of Steph, and I'm taking pictures of Linda, taking pictures of Steph. Here we go.
Oh, cool! It's an Australian cattle dog calendar.
Oh, got my finger over Mark's head.
Oh, look at it. Cute.
Check at his regular
Cute calendar.
things there.
Oh, wow.
I was gonna tell you, honey. In the Laguna Hills Mall, they have a calendar store.
Check this
Yeah.
out. Look.
I just
What?
went in there,
See,
like
he's in there.
looking around.
What?
I'm walking down. I'm like, no way. Went in there.
So what's the
they had a
difference?
whole section
What's the
of
difference
dogs.
between
I'm
that and a
like,
camera?
How cool is that?
Well, this is plays music,
Yeah, remember?
stores pictures.
It's about
It's
the
a radio,
size of
FM radio.
Spencer's, full of calendars.
What are you doing?
And did you notice the one on the top right on the back looks like Wiley?